So in this program we will try to find out the largest number in an array. C program to determine the largest number in an array. Hash include stdio.h int main, and let me have an integer array, so let me call it as num, and let the number of elements in the array be equal to 8, and obviously we will have our loop counter, so let me call it as I, and then let the largest number be represented by max. So let me prompt the user to enter the elements of the array. For I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 7, I plus plus, scanf %d comma ampersand num I. So these two lines of code will allow the user to enter 8 integer type elements into the array whose name is num, and so the indices will run from 0 to 7. And now comes the algorithmic part of the code. So for I equal to, let's say we start with 1, I less than or equal to 7, I plus plus, we will make a comparison here. What can be done is, right here we can make max equal to num 0. This is the starting point, that is the first value in the array is assigned to max, and then we will start making the comparison. If max is less than num I, if max is less than num I, this simply means that I will update max with num I. Note that we are looking for the largest number in the array. Otherwise, we don't do anything else. So at the end of the execution of this part of the code, this for loop, the variable max will hold on to the largest number which is present in the array called num, and all that now we have to do is to print the largest number. The largest number in the array is %d comma max, return 0. So let me just double check, int num 8, so we are looking for 8 elements in the array. I is the loop counter, max is the variable which will store the largest number. Let us run the code and check whether there are any errors or not. So the code has compiled successfully. Let me now enter the values. Let me have 50, 60, 10, 80, 30, 20, 40, 70. So these are the 8 numbers that I have entered into the array, and the largest number obviously is the number 80. So let us see whether the largest number is displayed or not. So this is it, the largest number in the array is 80. If you wanted to find out the smallest number in the array, then simply this notation will have to change. This will be substituted with the greater than symbol.